Hey YouTube, welcome back to another fingerstyle ukulele tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to play Sober Up by AJR. But before we begin, go to fingerstyleukuleletabs.com and grab your tab sheet. Alright, let's jump in. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this Sober Up by AJR. I sure know that I have. This song's got a lot of soul to it, and it's a little bit difficult, but I believe in you. You can do it. Grab that tab sheet, fingerstyleukuleletabs.com, smash that subscribe button, and you're ready to rock and roll, baby. Alright, we'll catch you guys next time.